Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for an unboxing of some diamond painting products that were sent to me for free to review from NewCraftDay. So Anna reached out to me and wanted to see if I was interested in trying out their products and also doing a review of them. I personally have not done diamond painting primarily because I'm completely intimidated by the scale of some of these projects that are so big, and then the pieces, the drill bits are so tiny. So when I browsed their website, I was pleasantly surprised to see that they had a variety of different projects, from the large ones that you have that you can put on your wall to some of the smallest ones that could be keychains and other things. So I'm going to be sharing the 3 items I was able to pick that I'm going to be trying out. So let me go ahead and show you item number 1. The first item I picked was this adorable handbag, and it had this beautiful peacock print. So I thought for a beginner like myself, this would be a great project to begin with. Let's see what it comes with. So it looks like we have our drill bits all packaged and numbered, which is awesome. So it'll make it easier to put together. And then we have the standard boat with our wax and our pen and a gold chain and tassel to add after we're all done. So how fun is that? And she did mention that if you spend $50, you get 2 free items. And I'll also have a 5% code for you, and I'll put that link down in the description box. I'll also have links to these items down below. So the next one is this zippered pouch, and it has it's like a clutch pouch here with the sun and the moon. And how fun is this looking project here? Again, they're all numbered really clearly here. And then you just lift this, and it has an adhesive underneath, and then you work your way. So this is just faux leather, and that's the inside of the pouch. And this one feels really nice too. So this one comes with the same things. We have our beautiful colors here. They're all numbered, and then we have our little boat wax and our pen. And the final project, I had to find something that related to paper crafting, and look what I found. Let me just open it up. So we have this adorable little pup. So they had several ones, and they had other kits too for Christmas and other occasions. So I'm excited to work on this. And then inside it says Merry Christmas, and then you have a wonderful spot to write on. Isn't that adorable? Again, we have the same items here. It looks like we have some extra bags. So if you have extra of these, you can keep them in there. And these are numbered again. So this will be really fun to try out. So if you are interested in checking out NewCraftDay's website, make sure to check out their link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of some of these fun diamond painting projects that I'll be working on soon. So I'll have a second video showing my review to let you know what I think about all these wonderful items. Again, thanks for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.